Hey guys, this is Jody with Only Have One Life to Live, and in this video we're going to look at the 2023 ATC PLA 700 model 4319. Hey guys, you aren't going to believe this particular RV. It is all aluminum construction, and there are so many people in this RV that you simply don't feel it move. It feels super solid from just walking in it to walking on the subfloors. Everything you need to know about this video is in the description below. Hey guys, we're about to go in and take a look at the outside and inside of the ATC PLA 700 toy hauler. Here's some of the specs. It's 44 feet 9 inches, 13.5 high, 8.6 exterior width, a 96 rear opening width of the door, and the opening height is 90 inches. Surprisingly, it's only 13,000 pounds. It's only 13,000 pounds. 3,200 pounds on the hitch weight without the generator and 3,500 with the generator, and it can carry 7,000 pounds. So the maximum GVR weight on this is 21,000 pounds. It has 200 gallons of fresh water, 90 gallons of gray water, 45 gallons of black water, a 10-gallon LP gas heater, 72 gallons of gasoline capacity, 60-pound capacity for LP, 3-burner gas with oven, 35,000 and 25,000 BTU furnaces. So here we go. Let's look on the outside real quick. Be sure to leave any comments you have down below, and we'll try to answer them as best as we can. Okay, here's this ATC 4313 from the outside. And we'll go over here to the generator bay. It's an all aluminum structure welded here. Even the roof is aluminum. So you can see all these welded I-beams here of aluminum. And notice it has a Cummins 7000 evap generator. Remember to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. We really do appreciate it, and it does help our channel a lot. Good solid shut on that door. Got that one locked. They got stuff stored in there probably. But you can tell these are probably 8-inch aluminum I-beams up here. They use a Kurt hitch. Really solid construction. This thing looks like it weighs 25,000 pounds, but it doesn't. The gross or the base weight is 13,000 pounds, and you add the generator stuff in. It's rigged for LP on the outside. Got a MoRide door here. Batteries in there. All of your controls are in there. Hot water tank is over there and accessible. Really accessible to everything here. That's really crazy. They've done a really good job making that very accessible in here. Plus you got stuff all stored all in there. And all it feels super solid from just walking in it to walking on the subfloors. You've got the flexibility to be able to extend or retract the amount of space you have in the garage. First thing you see is your mid-cabin. So you have a kitchen area and a TV above there, oven, sink, full-size refrigerator. And here you have two sets of steps that are up. You have a good-sized bathroom in here. And this thing, I'll tell you, just feels solid. Not like an RV that you would normally be in. This thing feels really, truly solid. Like it's not moving around. There's 5 or 6 people in the back, and you can't feel it shake at all. There's a bathroom, little medicine cabinet. And another set of steps up into the bedroom. And there's your king bed. We got storage over here. Wow, deep storage. Place for the washer. Prep for washer, but no washer in it.
This bedroom, again, because it's the bigger one, it's got the desk in here and a bigger closet.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I like how it has the desk. So this,
Get
that
space here.
obviously goes in.
These doors are all made of aluminum. They shut very solidly. There are so many people in the RV as I'm doing this tour that literally I feel no movement from everyone in this RV. And normally, even in some of the more luxurious RVs, even with the stabilizers out or the leveling jacks out, if somebody's in the front of the RV and somebody's in the rear of the RV, at some point you're going to feel some movement as they're going up and down stairs or just simply moving around in the RV. But I did not feel that in this RV at all. It is simply solid as a rock. Hey guys, if you'd like a more detailed video, just click the link on the top and we'll make sure we get you over to a more detailed video.
But then back here,
That's perfect. Just got a little work desk in here.
Same thing.
I'll swap places with you. Okay, let's go down into the kitchen area. You can see the number of people that are in this coach here. I don't feel this thing moving at all. This thing is sturdy. So in the kitchen, you see you've got big bunk area over there. That's completely crazy how big that loft is. Excuse me.
which, and the other thing about that too.
Excuse me, pardon me. And then back here is the garage. This thing is huge too. What's this, a 14-foot garage?
You can make it a 9-foot, you can make it a 14, or you can make it a 19.
Oh wow, you can slide, so you can slide a wall.
You can move the wall, this wall can be moved over to here.
You can have more kitchen area, you can move that back this way, or the kitchen is, yeah.
Do which one? You want bigger kitchen, bigger garage?
Nice. That's cool. Used to you had to just choose. It's going to be this way or that way.
You don't know when you might change toys, so
Right.
you can haul a car or just a golf cart. Just depends on what.
Nice.
A lot of Jeeps. People think about Jeeps and stuff.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, I saw the carrying capacity was 7,000 pounds. That's a lot of.
Yeah.
That's a lot of stuff. So, if you're interested in a fifth wheel with the ability to move the garage size and make your living space larger, or reduce the, reduce or enlarge the toy hauler space, you can even take a fully loaded car in this thing. It's crazy how much flexibility you have in this RV. So, if you're interested in toy haulers and you're interested in a solid, well-built made RV, and this particular model fits your needs, then you should give it a serious consideration.
We use no wood in the construction, so it's all very light and very heavy.
The one thing I noticed, even with the number of people in here, like, I'm not feeling it rock or wiggle or...
There's no wood in the subfloor, it's all solid aluminum in there. So
Right, yeah.
it's very, very
And those look like 8-inch I-beams going through the, like just in the front area up
Yeah.
there. So, yeah. I guess they're probably 12 here,
No,
probably.
they're only 2x8s here.
2x8s. Oh, okay.
They're double hollows, so they got a piece of them.
I gotcha. Cool. Thank you for the information. Yeah. It's
got to be able to get into the bed.
Yeah. Put a ladder.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.